welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a very interesting DIY craft for you. Before we do it, I want to ask you one question. Did you like my previous or first video I made? Keep it in the comments below. What do you think when you go to a beach? Some people think sunshine, sand, water and little tiny fishes. But today I'm going to do something related to it. It's shell art. So let's get started. So let's see what we're going to be using. So we're going to use black acrylic paints. And we're going to use brushes, many brushes. Different types of many brushes. And a palette and buds and a glass of water. And now let's get started to paint shells. I forgot the shells, the main part. Here there are different types of shells. We're gonna do 3 today. So I'm gonna do rainbow for the big shell, and I asked my sister to prepare all the colors. Looks a bit messy, but cool. And I'm gonna use this brush. So let's get painting. So now I finished painting the background. So now I will leave it for several minutes. Okay, so several minutes are over. So let's get started painting the main part, the rainbow. Yay! I finished my first shell. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, I love it. Now let's go to the second shell. So I think I'm gonna use flowers for this one, and I'll be having a green background for this. And I'm also gonna use cotton buds because they're gonna be like circles for the petals, and in the middle part, you know, right? And it looks good. So let's get started. So I'm gonna keep orange circles now. So with the orange circles, I made a flower, and without a yellow circle, will it be a flower? So I'm gonna keep a yellow center now. Okay, so here it is. Dip it in and keep it in the center like this. I finished 2 finally. Now for the last one, here it is. For this one, I'm gonna do a cactus, a cute one. Finally, my last one's also over. Wanna see it? Here it is. These are some other ones that we did earlier. If you want, you can coat them all with a layer of Mod Podge too. Don't forget to comment below which shell you like, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you, bye. So